Hi guys, welcome back to the Your Own channel guys. So we can see the previous week analysis what we have done and how market has been behave for forex. I have told you this line will be crossed, then only go for your upside momentum, but it doesn't cross. You can see that slowly it came downside and it taken a big red candle. Okay guys, if you have entered in this candle only, so your SL will be this high. Okay guys, after that if you haven't entered somewhere here, so you have to enter somewhere this red candle only and your SL will be this red candle. You can see that slowly it goes as a sideways market. Okay guys, at this point you think that it maybe goes upside momentum, but here you can see that our SL will be somewhere here, so it will never hit, because you know that because this is the red candle here is seller are so much dominated. Okay guys, that's why it doesn't goes upside momentum, it comes downside only. Our first target reached, second target, and even third target also reached. After that it became a consolidation phase, a whole sideways market. Okay guys, right now we can see next forex pair is that GBP versus US dollar. Okay guys, what I have told you exactly, if it will broke, you can see here. I will just zoom it in so you can get better return. You can see here, I have told you if it will break, then only go for short. You can see that how nicely it taking a exactly here only it taken resistance. We have to buy somewhere here only. Okay guys, at the short position you have buy somewhere here or these candle, your SL will be here. You can see that how nicely it has been fallen. Our first target reached guys, second target, third target, even fourth target also reached. Even it goes so much nice downfall. Okay guys, up till here you can see that how nicely it has been behaved. So our all target has been reached in GBP versus USD. We can see next is that euro versus GBP. Okay guys, in euro versus GBP I have told you, if once again it will take resistance somewhere here, then only go for upside momentum guys. But what happened guys, somewhere here only I have seen that continuously taking a supporting area, so I have made this downside line. After here somewhere only it taking a support, so I have somewhere I have bought at this red candle only. My SL will be small this week, uh this week at the bottom. Okay guys, I have got something up till here only, so I have exited because I don't think that it will goes up till here or somewhere here guys, because and this is the very small trade I have to take. Only 4 to 5 hour I have taken. After that I am exited, because I don't believe that it will goes and gives us upside momentum very big. But after that I have exited. You can see that this green candle has been made, and after that it came once again downside and it is in the channel right now. Okay guys, we can see next USD versus CAD. You can see that USD versus CAD, I have told you if it will take somewhere here only support, then only go for upside momentum. Okay guys, in smaller time frame you can see that this is the pole and flag has been happened. If you are a swing trader or something, not a swing trader like a scalper or something, you have got very nice risk to reward here, 1:2. You can see that how much this pool has been made, in that much you have to take your profit, and that you have get here. After that you can see that continuously taking supporting area here only. Okay guys, so how many times it will take support, that much time it became weak. Okay guys, that's why it continuously taking supporting area only and becoming consolidation. After that it broke and came downside also, but at the end of the day it making a strong move at a upside momentum. Okay guys, here somewhere So we can see next forex pair is USD versus CHF. You can see that I have told you that properly in I have told you you have to see it. This is the first time, second time, third, fourth. I have told you 3 times is enough. It will break. But after that, it 4 time taken. At fifth time, if it will break, then it will make a bigger momentum. So you can see that after this green candle you have buyed this green candle because exactly it has been taken support. I have told you it broken bullish candle green, no wick you have seen at this green candle. After that, in this only you have to buy your first target, second, third. All target has been reached, and after that only it goes on consolidation phase. Okay guys, we can see AUD versus CHF. I have told you also exactly that happened. Taken resistance, you can see here. After here also you have to take, it's up till you, because this red candle will be your SL, because it will act as resistance. So somewhere here also you have buy, it's up till you. Our first target also reached, second and third, all target has been reached. Here only it becoming reversible, but seller are so much dominated right now, so it taking it downside. Okay guys, we can see next NSD versus US dollar. Okay guys, here you can see that it taken resistance somewhere here. Okay, you have bought somewhere here. Your SL will be at this green candle top. Okay guys, you can see that very minimal, very much minimal. Your SL will be the almost hated here. Okay guys, almost. If you have kept this top high, then not, but almost it has been hitted. Okay guys, okay, your SL will be hitted, no problem in that, but you have seen that it made a double top here. Okay guys, this is the first top, this is second top. Exactly here only taken, you have to take your and SL will be the at this top only is little bit higher. Okay guys, after that you can see that consolidate, taken resistance. Exactly momentum has been done in our favor. First target, second target, third, fourth, and even fifth target also, even sixth target also. Okay guys, after that continuously consolidation phase it's going on right now. So our all target has been reached here, or you have seen here M pattern. After this is the breakout downside, this is the low. After this is broken, you have to take your position at this red candle only, and your SL will be the at this top. You can see that how nicely has been rallied. Okay guys, so we can see the next euro versus Japanese yen. Guys, euro versus Japanese yen, I have told you this is the trend line. If broke, then only go for upside, but it's broken downside momentum. Okay guys, so continuously, so you have to take your trade somewhere here only, and your SL will be somewhere here. You can see that our first target also reached, second, third, fourth, even more. Okay guys, fourth, and even you can go for up till here. But here also one trick you can see here, this is the trend line. Okay, we can go for easy one. This is the trend line. Okay guys, this is the trend line. If this is broken, you have to buy somewhere here only, and your all as usual target will be very small, because this is the it gives us very nice momentum in downside, so we do not expect bigger momentum in upside momentum. So up till here only two chances you have got to exit. If you not exited here also, you have got here also your chance. If you have exited here also, so you have made a very good money. Okay guys, otherwise here is the one of the trend line also here. Just you have to draw like this. Okay guys, this is the broken. After that you can see that consolidate. Just a second. Okay, this broken consolidate gives us very big momentum, but this is the not right way to draw any trend line, because somebody will be drawn like this. Don't go for like this guys, always go for and this type of only trend lines, okay guys, or this type of, not this much stiffness, okay guys, and there will be your stop loss will be very big, or you do not get any confidence in that. Okay guys, we can see next AUD versus CHF. You can see here AUD versus CHF, it exactly broken somewhere here only. Okay guys, after that I have told you the swing is very important. The swing has been broken somewhere here only. After this broken, you have to make a position. I have taken my position and my SL will be somewhere this red candle. I know that my risk to reward is not good in this because I have kept it my SL little bit higher, because I know that if it will turn around, so it has to take a resistance somewhere here only. So that's why I have kept my this red candle top. So you can see that my first target reached. Okay guys, first target is negligible because I have taken first target only my position. Okay guys, our first target here somewhere, second, third, fourth. Okay guys, all my three target only reached. I have booked my all profit because I'm not convinced to it will came so much downside momentum. So I have booked that third position only somewhere here only. It's making a long mix, so I have exited. After that I'm seeing at yesterday on Thursday somewhere. So this is the making one at the pattern. So this is the trend line. So it is continuously taking a here only resistance, so acting as a resistance. So I will see that this is the acting as support. If it will break and take support or somewhere do bigger momentum, then only I will go. But you can see here I have told you this will be very much act as a resistance. I have told you also previous week also. You can see here after here only it taken a very big seller has been came and taken it downside momentum. Okay guys, you have seen somewhere here also, so you have got very nice and big momentum. Okay guys, so we can see next forex pair is GBP versus Japanese yen. Okay guys, you can see here exactly what I have told you, that only happened. It goes on a sideways market guys, taken exactly resistance. If you are not seeing, I will just zoom it. You can see that at this green candle exactly taken resistance. This red candle will be your buying and your SL will be this red candle. Okay guys, why this? Because we see that this is the area of resistance, so it may be touched once again, so our SL will be not hit. That's why I have kept somewhere here. Our all three target has been reached, and also you can see here it is making a continuously resistance. If you have holded up till here also, you have got very nice target, but I have booked somewhere here only my whole profit. After that I'm seeing that it is making a M pattern type or taking resistance somewhere here only. I have taken here only my position and my SL will be here, because I don't want to take any risk. So my risk is very small in this, so I don't want to worry about it. So if my SL will be hit, then also I am very happy, because I have taken a position, and if it will be made me a smaller risk, so I have got bigger risk to reward. So I have got here 1:7 something, 7.5 or something risk to reward. Okay guys, after that it taking resistance. Okay guys, up till here only somewhere 7.5 or 7.6 something only risk to reward has been here. After that I am seeing that it is continuously taking resistance, so I am maiden as a resistance and supporting it. After that it is broken. I am seeing at this place when it will came and take support, then only I will go for upside momentum. It has been making like this, so I have somewhere here only I have buy, and my SL I have kept at this green candle here, somewhere here only. Okay guys, after that one-sided momentum, you can see that I have not taken whole rally guys. I am frankly tell you, at this green candle only fourth I have exited, because I don't think that it make a bigger momentum. So I just ignore it and taken up my up till here only I have taken, because my SL will be very small. So I have got 1:4 risk to reward. That is also very nice, guys. If you are losing your $50 and gaining 200, it means very nice risk to reward, guys. So I have taken, and also we have taken here also our profit, so we don't have to so much greedy in it. Okay, guys. So we can see in, okay guys, we have almost seen all the forex pairs right now. So hope you like this video, guys. There are so many learning videos I have posted weekly, so please go and check out, guys. There is so much learning in that. I have today also have told you so much learning, so please apply on your trading session, or you can join my Telegram channel also, link in the description, guys. I also that's all, guys. If you like this video, guys, go and subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you, guys.